video, I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to apply a headband wig. Now, today's headband wig is from Julia Hair, and this is what their packaging looks like. I'm not going to open it because honestly, the only thing that came in here was the wig itself. They didn't even include any headbands, which is what normally what some of these other hair companies are doing. It's no big deal. Instead, I just used some that I had already had. Now, compared to some of the other type of headband wigs that are out there on the market, I would consider this one to be affordable. Now, this one, you guys, I actually found on AliExpress. So this is from Julia Hair on AliExpress, not to confuse it with it being from their official store. And this wig was only $147 for this particular hair texture and length that I got it in. So speaking of length, I did go ahead and get this in, is it 20 or 22? I'm pretty sure it's 22 inches, but please check the description box because I'll have all the correct information down there. But I'm pretty sure I got this wig in 22 inches. And then this is their Malaysian curly hair textures. I actually do really like this wig, you guys. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer. When I first got the wig in the mail, it did not have this curl pattern. It had a different kind of curl pattern that I really fell in love with. But the moment that I washed the hair, it turned into this. But I'm not even mad at this because I actually like this curl pattern too. Now, a couple things that I want to point out, you guys. I have been wearing this hair for like the past week, and what I can say, like, consistently, because I do, like, you know, rotate my wigs and whatnot, but I have been able to go a whole 7 days without putting any water on this hair. So I did wash it a couple days ago, but prior to that I had just been wearing it over and over again, just throwing it on whenever I needed to go run some quick errands or something. And the only products that I've been having to use on it is water, and water is not really a product. So I find that curly hair that you don't have to put any product on is always going to be some good curly hair, in my opinion, because that means I don't have to go through any extra steps if I don't want to. The curls are going to pop and look just like this with water only. Now, I have been kind of playing around with the hair and doing a little bit too much with it, but if you guys can see here in the back, especially like the areas that I haven't been running my fingers through as much, this is what the curl pattern looks like. You guys can see more of the curl pattern here in the back of what I barely have been touching or running. So you guys can see more of the curl pattern here in the back and what I've barely been touching and running my fingers through. And this is exactly how it's been looking for an entire week straight. The entire wig looked like that, but you guys can see this area is getting a little bit frizzy, and that's just because I've been running my fingers through it and moving it. And I actually did accidentally fall asleep with this wig on last night, so that explains some of the frizziness too, but no big deal. Like I said, the only thing I've been using on this hair is water, so I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle here and spray a little bit of water on it just to kind of tame the curls, but I'm not going to like drench it completely because I like when it's very big and full like this.